Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chidalo. I'm a mom, I'm single, and I love God deeply. Here I share my life experiences with the hope that another woman out there feels seen, understood, and encouraged. And if you love motherhood stories, real talk about relationships, and honest conversations about healing, feel free to subscribe to my second channel, The Mom Life Hub, and also visit my blog at iamchidalo.com. Today's vlog is different. It's soft, reflective, almost like opening a journal and letting you read a page of my heart. I celebrated my birthday some few weeks back in October, and turning 39 has been emotional for me. It's the last stop before 40, before a completely new chapter, and honestly, it made me look back at my life with both gratitude and tears. I shared a bit about it on Instagram, Facebook, and my blog, but today I want to talk to you from a deeper, more vulnerable place. My 30s were something else. I spent this entire decade rediscovering myself after divorce, learning how to be a mother and a single woman at the same time. Wow. And that journey humbled me in ways I never expected. There were days I felt spiritually lost, days when I was angry at God, moments I didn't want to pray, times I felt abandoned by the church, moments of grief when I lost my sister, heartbreak of, being rejected. For being a single mom, not because of your character or anything. All these were new to me. Loneliness, wow. I never planned to do life alone, talk more of being a mom alone. And then being abstinent, everything, it was hard to really find a partner. And starting over again and again. But there were also quiet victories. Getting closer to Christ, choosing abstinence, learning myself again, giving love another chance. Yes, I did. Entering the dating scene, which was a wild movie on its own, and picking up little pieces of myself that I thought I had lost forever. It was a roller coaster, a decade of breaking, rebuilding, and becoming. But here is the beautiful part. I have grown deeply. I have become more independent. I've learned to love myself again, truly. And the biggest, I am no longer afraid to be alone, like seriously, for a woman, an African woman, I know that the biggest shame that we are shamed is you're going to die alone, you're going to grow old alone, old age is waiting for you and stuff like that. But guys, in my 30s, towards this 39, I really overcame that fear of being alone. I've learned to accept that it is a possibility and I'm ready and content with it. I unlearned so many unhealthy beliefs about marriage, relationships, and men. Things I wish I knew in my 20s. It would have helped me make better choices, especially in choosing whom to settle down with. But maybe I wasn't ready then. Maybe I needed the journey, the breaking, the healing, the becoming of who I am now. Now I understand why people say life begins at 40. Because as I stand on the border of 39, looking forward to 40, I feel something new. A boldness, a calmness, a clarity. This is something I didn't have in my 20s. I just thought life was all about the moment you finish school. Whether you have a job or not, it didn't really matter. What mattered was being a wife and being a mother. Like, that's what we were taught growing up. You are nothing without a husband. But it is different for me right now. I have learned better. This next chapter, it's for me. not in a selfish way, but in a purposeful, intentional, God-centered way. I want to give my energy only to what brings value, which for me is God, family, and meaningful relationships. And I mean, to top it all, getting that bag. I mean, I'm all about the money right now, but I'll give you more details about that in another video. I want to let go of draining connections, unnecessary commitments, and anything that doesn't bring peace. I mean, we grew up hearing that men want peace, but I learned in my 30s that women don't want chaos either. Like, your peace of mind, your mental health is very, very, very important, much more important than any other thing you're chasing. So I want peace, anything that brings peace. That is all I'm accepting into my life henceforth. I want growth in my spirit, my mind, relationships, and my purpose. And through it all, I can clearly see the fingerprints of God. Everything I survived, everything I became, it is only by His grace. 39 has humbled me, changed me, and prepared me. I feel like God has been writing a new chapter quietly. And this year, I got to turn the page. I don't know what 40 holds, but I know the God who holds me. I am so confident in Him, and that gives me peace. So, in conclusion, thank you so much for watching and spending this vulnerable moment with me. I hope something I shared today speaks to you, encourages you, or makes you feel less alone. Don't forget to like this video, leave me a comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. I love you all so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.